Hey everyone. Okay, so sorry so late, but I hope that you're understanding it. If not, come see me in the morning. All right, we're talking about polygons 11.1. Number 1, so you were doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then on the back, those last 3 problems. So we're going to look at here, we're going to name each polygon, and then tell whether it is a regular polygon and a not regular polygon. Remember, a regular polygon? All sides are equal. Congruent is another word we learned today. Or you should have learned it, brought it up from 4th grade, but if you didn't, you now know it. Not a regular polygon means that it's irregular, that the sides are different. So all sides are not congruent, not equal, they're different sizes. And I'll put different sizes. So whichever one you remember. All right, so let's take a look at number 1. We know that this is a square, what's also called a what? Quadrilateral. Very good. Quad means 4. And it is a regular polygon because looking at this here, we talked about these hash marks. This tells you that all these have the same sides. They're all equal sides. So it's a regular polygon. All right, let's look at our triangle. I think we talked about this one here. This is an all equal sides. So this is called a triangle. Oops. And then, that's right. This side, we said that it was equal to this side, but not equal to this one. So this is not equal. So if they're not all equal, I'm going to call this a triangle. This means that it's not a regular polygon, which is called an irregular. We talked about that today. So I'm going to put irregular polygon. So whichever one you want to write. Sorry about that. There you go. Whichever one you want to write, it's fine. So let's look at this one, number 3. Which shape would we call this? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we call a 5-sided figure? Or figure with 5 sides? It's a pentagon. What do you also notice? These two have the same equal sides, equal their length, and these two have the same equal length, but not everything is all congruent, so this is not a regular polygon, or you can write irregular polygon. Means the same thing, so you can see it either way. And looking at this one over here, what do we call this one? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-sided figure as well. We call this a pentagon as well. And this is a regular, I messed up on the spelling, regular polygon. Because all sides are congruent, all sides are equal, they're all the same side. All right, let's look at number 6 is what we were working on. We're looking at our Lone Star flag, our Texas flag. Name the shapes that make up the Texas flag. Are any of the shapes regular polygons? So I'm going to I have 3 quadrilaterals. These are 3 rectangles. So I'm going to write 3. I can put rectangles, or I can write quadrilaterals. And I have, what is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have 1 decagon. And actually, if you're looking at, and we're only looking at what's inside the flag, because you can also take this one here on the outside, which is also, which would make it how many quadrilaterals? It would make it 4 quadrilaterals for sure. So, but it says name the shapes that make up this flag. So it's what makes it up. This makes it up. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and then 1 decagon. All right, now let's take a look. The quadrilaterals are not, so I'm going to put quadrilaterals, or the rectangles, are not regular polygons. Why not? Because they have different sizes, right? Because all sides are not congruent. And I'm going to take it over here, congruent. They're not all equal. I have this is equal to this side, and this is equal to this, but all 4 sides are not equal. But the decagon is not. A regular polygon. Because why? Yep, the angles. One of the things that we needed to talk about is the angles are not congruent. This is acute, this is obtuse. Acute, obtuse. Acute, obtuse. Okay, so the angles are not congruent. Okay, so we have 3 rectangles that make up this Texas flag, and we have 1 decagon, which is our star, that makes the Texas flag, but none of them are regular polygons. They're all irregular polygons. All right, does that make sense? Perfect. Let's flip it over to the back side. We're doing number 8. Bradley uses 1 regular polygon. Regular polygon means that equal sides, they're all the same sides, equal sides, congruent, and is shape mobile. Which polygon could not be Bradley's mobile? Equal side, equal side, equal side, equal side, equal, 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 equal. This is the same as this one, as this one, as this one, as this one, as this one. Look at my parallelogram. This is not. So the answer is D. Okay, let's move on to number 10. An artist made a pendant with the shape shown below. What is the name of the shape, and is it regular? Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So a 6-sided figure is called a hexagon. And, oops, this is the same size as this. This here is the same size, so it's called a hexagon. That is not regular because I have different sizes or lengths of my sides. And the final one is number 12. How can you classify the sides and angles of a square? So I'm going to draw out a square. And I have all squares. I have 4 sides, which are all equal. And I have 4 angles, which are all equal. So which one of these? The answer is B, 4 congruent angles and 4 congruent sides. That's it for tonight. I hope you enjoyed the homework, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great evening, and sorry so late. I appreciate your dedication to wanting to do great in math. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.